So Red Rocks is a fun place to go. Every time we have visitors from out of town and they ask, okay, where should we go in Denver? Red Rocks is definitely one of the stops where we would take them. It just has an atmosphere about it. There's an energy, all the people exercising there during the day and the gigantic rocks on each side and nice view of Denver. It's just the vibe of the place. It's a good energy. Who wants to go on another adventure?
Me!
And where are we going?
In Red Rocks.
Red Rocks?
Yeah.
Not ready for the workout, park at the top parking lot. There's lots of stairs. We got the 1 square meter of shade in the whole Red Rocks.
Did the evil superheroes come into real life here? Wait, I'm Robo-Hero. No?
I love it.
How many times have we been here already?
I would say about 15 times. It's been a lot of times.
But we still like it, right?
Yeah, we never get tired of it.
Some fun facts about Red Rocks. The first concert at the amphitheater was in 1906 and it was a 25-piece brass band. The amphitheater has really good acoustics thanks to the rock formation that surround it, and plenty very famous musicians have had concerts there, like the Beatles, Jimi Hendrix, U2. Surrounding the amphitheater there is a bunch of hiking trails that provide really nice views of the area. There's a Red Rocks trail that is a 6-mile loops around the amphitheater. I think we walked like 300 feet of it because we spent most of the time at the amphitheater. The rock formations are created by river deposits, and the red color is due to oxidized iron. Here's an interesting fact about a concert. In 1971, the people got so rowdy after a rock concert that the authorities had to use tear gas to get them calmed down and leave the venue. The mayor of Denver at the time has banned all rock concerts at the amphitheater, and it wasn't reinstated until 5 years later. During non-event days, a lot of people in Denver and surrounding areas use the amphitheater as a workout facility. On each side there is a staircase of 380 steps, and if you go from the bottom in a serpentine following the bleachers and get all the way to the top, it's about 3 miles. So it's a good run. During 9/11 anniversary events, firefighters, flight crews, EMTs, and other supporters do 9 rounds of stairs at the Red Rocks. So there's 380 stairs 9 times that reflect the 110 stories that the emergency crews had to climb in the Twin Towers on 9/11/2001.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe. Next time!